Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog Trading video. Today I'm doing something a little different. We're doing Polkadot. Okay. For some of you guys that are new to my channel, I've just started this channel 2 weeks ago. So this is a new channel. I just started a Twitter account, but we'll go into that in a minute. Right now, let's focus in on this chart, right? And I want to tell you guys a little bit something because I've been doing a lot of videos about Bitcoin and Cardano and Matic and Ethereum. So yeah, this is something I'm doing different because I like Polkadot. It's a Web3 blockchain, which is could it replace Ethereum? I don't know. It's a great DeFi play, and it's down. It's down. What 100% from the top. So this had one heck of a down move to it. So now I just wanted to give you guys something different here that I like. So right now on this chart, we're in a wedge. Okay, now this is a bullish wedge, guys. So keep that in mind. This is a bullish wedge. I marked out some of these levels for you guys. Okay, now this right here is a key level of support. Okay, so we could do something like this. Even if we come down here, we could do something like this, come out. Now, if we come out of this, we could also go down here. Okay, I'm not saying right here we're going to pop out, but this is a bullish pattern. So there's a better chance of it going to the upside than the downside. Now, if it goes to the upside, you don't want to see a wick like right here, okay, and then have it fall back down. That's no good. You want to wait for confirmation. So what you want to see is an hour or a 4-hour candle, but an hour candle close above here. Then the second hour candle maybe come down and retest or just close above it again. Then you want to take your position after you see that, okay? Then I marked this line out because for me, if I took this trade, I would look to take position on the second candle close, okay? Then what I would do is I would look to take 25% off the board right here and then look for my next move and then move my stop loss to my buy-in price and let it ride, right? Because now you're in a free trade, you made a little money, and now you have a potential to go up to the upside, okay? Now, this all depends on what Bitcoin is going to do, right? So this is what we're looking at on Polkadot, okay? But it all depends on what Bitcoin's going to do, right? So if you guys watch my videos, you guys know that we've been nailing these charts. I mean, let's see. Let's just go to Ethereum. Look at this, guys. Wedge, boom, broke out. Okay, wedge, broke out. We caught this trade. Bang. Oh, 4 bars. I did. Let's hide this. Sorry. 4 bars. Bang. We did this move. Okay, for some of you guys that haven't seen any of my videos, 6%. We caught this wedge. Another 7% there. Okay, we called this bottom right here. Okay, for a double bounce. Okay, so we caught that. We caught this. We talked about this top in my video. We nailed that. That was 7%. And now in my last video, I've been talking about this wedge. Now this has potential to go more to the upside. Now we're getting a lot of support here on Ethereum at this 2380 mark. Okay, so we'll look for eventually a break to the upside there. But Bitcoin is what really matters, right? But yeah, you can see some of my trades. Cardano, look at this. This is guys, and these are just recent ones. Okay, it doesn't even include Matic in the 200% gain we hit here. And I've only done this channel for 2 weeks. Okay, so keep that in mind. But Bitcoin's the main thing, right? Well, this is, if you guys don't know how to get to this, this is, you go to templates and you go to MAEXP ribbon. Now all this is free on TradingView. Everything I'm giving you is free. Okay, so that's how you get to this. Now this bottom line, I have it purple, but it could be a different color on your screen. It could be yellow, but I have it purple. Okay, now this is the 20 EXP line, okay? Or 20, it's the 20 exponential moving average. Sorry, guys, it's been a long day. But yeah, so this is EMA, you could say. Okay, I don't know what I said earlier because my brain's just going all over the place now. But we don't want to see a daily candle close underneath here. Okay, that would be devastating. And if we do, then this would act as defense. This would act as resistance. okay, then we're fighting this trend all over again. So we want to see a daily candle close above it and keep going. Now, if it wicks down, then yeah, we can look at some other levels. You could see some of my other levels here, okay, and some of my older charts. All right. So, and then we also has that 3,700 mark. I know this is a little confusing because I got to clean this up, guys. I have a better chart that's cleaned up, but I'm just kind of giving you examples on the fly. And if you see here, I talked about in my previous video that we could get a bounce here. So I'm hoping that this holds up, because I talked about this. If you watch, I think it was 2 or 3 days ago, or even I think I even talked about this even a week, like 4 or 5 days ago. I can't remember, or a couple days ago at least. But anyways, you watch the video and you'll see how I talked about a potential bounce in this area. Now, the funny thing is, it's exactly where this ribbon is. Okay, exactly where I have my red line and exactly where we got the bounce. And I called this days ago, guys. So the fact that we're getting confluence there is a good sign for good support. Now, if that breaks down, then yeah, we could see potential to the downside. Okay, maybe the 36, or maybe testing this trend that we had. Okay, so yeah, we don't want to see that happen. Now this is a wedge inside of a wedge. Okay, so we could go higher up in this wedge and then eventually roll over, because that is a bearish pattern. But that's for another video. We're going to keep it simple. We're going to keep it on dot right now. But Bitcoin is very important, because as you guys know, if Bitcoin goes, everything else goes, right? The whole market goes. So if you guys do like my content, please follow me. This is it's my Twitter at Moondog Trading 1. You can click the link on my YouTube. But my YouTube channel is Moondog Trading, one word. Okay, no space. So if you guys want more of this content, please subscribe. Hit the all button so you guys don't miss any of my moves. I appreciate you guys watching. Much love to you guys. And yeah, I think DOT could be a potential good trade here in the future. So we'll keep an eye on this, okay? So yeah, you can get DOT on Coinbase now. So that is something that anybody can do. So much love to you guys. Keep an eye on Bitcoin. The daily close is at 8 o'clock tonight. So we want to keep an eye on that Eastern time. So love you guys. Much love. Thanks for watching.